morning students to all of you once again. So now we are going to do the preparation of the ethers. Okay, what to do there, beta? We are going to start to do with the preparation of ethers. So whenever we are doing the preparation of ethers, it's number one from dehydration of alcohols. Okay, then number two is by the Williamson's synthesis reaction, by the Williamson's synthesis reaction. So we will do it one by one. Number one is here by the dehydration, by the dehydration. Okay students, so whenever we are doing about the dehydration, then what is going to happening over there? You must see CH3 CH2OH, then here in case of this one, this is the H2SO4 443 Kelvin. Two type of reactions we can give. One is H2SO4 with the 413 Kelvin. Student, ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा बेटा. Just remember one thing कि when we are giving the reaction with the 443 Kelvin, what we are getting? We are simply removing the water molecule and we will get a alkene. What we will get? Alkene. But when the temperature is 413 Kelvin, okay, then at that time we have to use the 2 moles of the alcohol. Okay, and when I will show you when we are going to use the 2 moles of alcohol, CH3 CH2OH, then what we are getting over there, beta, water we are removing, and what you will get over there? CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. What we are getting? Ethers. In the both cases we are removing the water molecule, but here in the first case we are removing the water molecule from only from the 1 mole of the alcohol. For the ether we have to use the 2 moles of the alcohols. Clear? But just remember the temperature condition, that is 413 Kelvin. Okay, now student, we have to do the mechanism for the ether formation. You must see, all of you, mechanism for ether ether formation. Number one is a step number one. स्टेप नंबर 1 में क्या करना है हमने? लेट इट बी CH3 CH2, this is the OH. We are giving one proton. Then what is going to happening over there? Okay, just remember there, this H will come over there and it will form CH3 CH2 like this. This is called protonated alcohol. Previously also I told you. What do you call it? Protonated alcohol. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? Protonated alcohol. Then after that, this protonated alcohol, what we have made there? Now we have to go towards step number 2. Okay, then what is going to happening over there? CH3 CH2 OH, then plus CH3 CH2. This is the protonated alcohol what we have made from there. Then this is it. This pair can go there only. Then better just remember we have to do the SN2 mechanism. According to the what was there in the SN2 mechanism? SN2 according to SN2 mechanism means primary is more reactive than the secondary and then the tertiary. Now there is a positive charge on the oxygen atom. Okay, then carbon of the CH2. Which carbon? This carbon, but I just wait. This carbon of the CH2 becomes electro deficient. What it will become? Electro deficient. So that is why nucleophilic attack will be there. Means अगर यह वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ये है जो आप इसको रिमूव करोगे यहाँ से, then on this C there will be a positive charge, and so that is why this oxygen pair of electron will come over there. Then what will be the product over there? CH3, CH2, then OH, then positive charge, and then CH2, CH3 plus H2O. Okay, that is called oxonium ion. What do you call it? Oxonium. Oxonium ion क्यों बोलते हैं? Because on the oxygen there is a positive charge. Now after making this oxonium ion, we have to do the third step. In a third step, what to do there? Step number 3. Okay, you see please all of you. CH3, CH2, oxygen containing a positive charge, then hydrogen, CH2, CH3. Then the reaction becomes fast. And after the removal of hydrogen, after the removal of this hydrogen, what you will get there? CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus H positive. Okay, and just remember step 2 was a slow step. Now when we remove this, what we are getting? We are getting the ether at the end. Clear? So this is the ether formation or ether mechanism. Student, after that now we are going to do the next reaction, that is Williamson synthesis reaction. One general reaction already we have done in the haloalkane and haloarine. I think you all are knowing very well. हम करके आ चुके हैं, वो ऐसे की थी हमने RONA plus RX, might be you remember this that thing. NX was removed from there, and what we are getting over there? Ether. Okay student, so this is the preparation of the ether. Now I am going to take some another examples for the ether formation by the Williamson synthesis reaction. You must see all of you. CH3, CH2ONA, okay, plus Br, CH2, CH3. So what we are going to do there? क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? This NaBr has been removed, and what you will get? This is ether we have formed. What we have formed there? Ethers we have formed. Now we are going to do some few reactions with that one only, and just remember it is also following the SN2 mechanism. How it is SN2 mechanism, that I will tell you now. You see please, all of you. Suppose I am taking there O negative, Na positive, a reaction with the CH3 Br positive, it is a negative. A reaction can be done with the SN2 mechanism. Same way, one more reactant I am taking. Suppose here it is O negative, Na positive. Here I am writing CH3 CH2I, and here again on CH2 positive, on the I there is negative. Then here again product is OCH3. What is it? OCH3 plus NaBr. Okay, same way here it is O C2H5 plus NaI. This product is going to be make over there. Is that clear? So this is the means reaction that we are going to do over there. But student, this Williamson synthesis reaction is having somewhat of limitation also. What you know, as a alkyl halide, we know primary is more reactive than secondary, then tertiary. Then what is going to happening over there? They are saying when you giving, suppose I am writing over there this one only. This is the CH3 CH2 Br. It is a primary alkyl halide. Okay, now I am writing it oxide group. Even oxide I am taking which one? See all of you. I am taking tertiary. Okay, it's a tertiary butoxide. Tertiary butoxide. But a reaction can be done. Reaction can be done. This Na and Br can be removed from there. Okay, then what will be the product over there? CH3 sorry, CH3, then CH3, then CH3, O, C2H5 plus NaBr. This product is formed with the primary. Means with the primary only substitution reaction is occurring. Now you see, if I am taking the secondary alkyl halide, what I am taking there? CH3, CH3, this is Br, then this is CH3, CH2, O negative, Na positive. Beta ji, this is a secondary alkyl halide. In the secondary alkyl halide, what they told, substitution is also occur and elimination is also occur. What is going to occurring over there? Substitution and elimination. Okay, and by the elimination, product will be CH3, CH double bond CH2. By elimination, this H is there, HBr will be removed. What is formed there? Alkene. This is called elimination reaction. Okay, and substitution is also possible, but their product is in less amount. What will be that one? CH3, then O, C2H5. This is by substitution. But just remember, what you making with the elimination, that is 78%, and what you making with the substitution, only 22%. Same way we can give it with the tertiary alkyl halide also. What we can give? Tertiary alkyl halide. Students, when we are going to do it with the tertiary alkyl halide, you must see there will be no substitution. There will be no substitution, only and only elimination will be there. What will be there, beta? Only and only elimination will be there. Okay, so this is this is going to make over there. See here H2, this H can be removed from there. Okay, and this H will go along with this only, and one NaBr can be removed. Then product is CH3 double bond CH2 plus C2H5OH plus NaBr. Clear? So like this way only we are going to make the product. So I think it's clear to you its limitation. Means it's more useful for the primary, but for the secondary there is a substitution and elimination, but for the tertiary only and only elimination reaction is there. Okay student, after that we can give one more reaction is there. See please. Okay, what we can give? Suppose here I am writing benzene with the Br, then CH3, O negative, Na positive. If this reaction is possible, it is not possible. Why not possible? Beta ji, because ये क्या बन गया आपके पास? This is a haloarine, and as we know very well, haloarine are less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to the haloalkane. Once again I am repeating, haloarine is less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to the haloalkane. Similarly, they are giving you one more reaction is here. Suppose like this way only, Br, then here also they are taking O negative, but इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. This will also be not possible. Same reason that aryl halide is always less reactive than that of the haloalkane towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Is that clear to you? So okay students, so these all were the preparation of the ethers what we have done over here. Thank you very much.